welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's tip is to talk to you about maintaining the inventory in your kitchen. All the major grocery stores now have a software where you can download an app and you use this QR code reader that's on here. They've been using it for years to scan your product as you go through the cash register. But they use QR code reader, and all you have to do is just put this on here like this, and it goes beep, and it logs in what you're out of. And of course, if you're running low, you're thinking, oh, I'm running low on this. All you have to do is just scan it while you're doing it. And then of course, if you want to order for the next week, you go through and you say, what am I going to be out of? So you grab something and boop, scan, and it goes right in. And of course, here in the Chicagoland area, we have where they pick your product for you and they actually deliver it as well. It's a real time saver, and some people say it's a little bit safer in the era of COVID-19. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.